Alright, how's it going, everybody? Here's a 2014 YZ85. This has a FMF Shorty on it right now. I'm going to be putting a FMF Turbine Core 2 on it. I just wanted to do a little sound comparison here and show you the different sounds of the two exhausts. So let's do that now, and we'll get to it. I do have new number plates for this bike here, but I'm gonna fire it up here and let you listen to the sound, and then we'll change the exhaust over. Alright, let's get you back here. That's a FMF Shorty. Alright, let's see how it sounds while we're ripping it. The FMF Shorty. This bike needs a new clutch, so, which I do have as well. Alright, let's get that Turbine Core 2 on there. Alright, as I said, I have new number plates for this bike. We'll be going on. But in the meantime, pull this number plate off of here. It is easier if you remove the seat, but it's not necessary. Just so you guys can see, here how to remove the seat. Okay. Alright, it's held on by one 8mm bolt here. So you take that off with its washer. I was just riding this, so not too warm. And we're just going to pull it off here. And the grommet did come off with the exhaust here, but that's alright, we'll put it on the new one. Just want to make sure you get these cleaned out really well so they don't leak. Alright, let's go over to the bench and get all these parts swapped over to the new one. Alright, so here's what we took off from FMF Shorty. And this is what we're going to be putting on an FMF Turbine Core 2 for a YZ85 here today. You can see the difference in the exhaust. So let's get this unpackaged and get it on the bike. Looks like there's some instructions in there. Couple FMF stickers. And the Turbine Core 2 itself. Inspection number. Just going to take that off. Alright, and here we're just going to go ahead and pull this grommet off. I'm going to clean this out with some brake cleaner. Yeah, you want to get all that schmoo out of there. Otherwise, these things, they won't seal up. So So just clean that out real well, so you're not getting any more schmoo. Alright, that looks pretty good. I'm just going to blow it out with compressed air here. Now I'm just going to slip this one, or this, back onto this pipe on this side. It will be a tight fit because you cleaned all that oil out of there. But that's what you want. And now it's ready to install on the bike.
Take a guess at what we're missing, leave it in the comments below.
Alright, we're back and we're ready to put this power core, or excuse me, turbine core 2 on. But you also want to clean the pipe here with a little bit of brake cleaner, just so it seals up well. So I'm going to grab that here. Alright, let's throw this turbine core 2 on there. Just gonna slip on like so. Oh, you know what we forgot to do? We forgot to put our grommet in from the other pipe. You know, I will say FMF, it's kind of crappy that you don't send a new grommet with these exhausts. But let's take this back over to the bench so we can get this installed properly here. Or maybe I can get her in here. Alright, let's go ahead and put this on the bike here until she winds up. Put her bolt back in there. Alright, there we are. Let's put our side plates back on and fire it up. Alright, here we go. First start, turbine core 2. Alright, that's the sound comparison between a Shorty and a turbine core 2 on a YZ85.